Bitcoin Wallet tutorial, how to use Bitcoin Wallet app for beginners. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into how to use a Bitcoin Wallet app, especially for beginners. Whether you're looking to store, send, or receive Bitcoin, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started. First things first, open your App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android and search for Bitcoin Wallet. There are many options out there. Simply download it. Once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. The first thing you need to do is create a new wallet. Tap on create new wallet and the app will guide you through setting up your account. You'll be asked to create a secure password to protect your wallet. Now, this is very important. You'll be given a recovery phrase or seed phrase. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access to your device. So make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. Never share this recovery phrase with anyone. Once you've set up your wallet, you'll be taken to the home screen. Here you'll see various options like send, receive, and your transactions history. To receive Bitcoin, tap on receive. And sending Bitcoin is easy too. Simply tap on send button and enter the recipient's Bitcoin address or scan their QR code and input the amount you want to send. You can track all the transactions by tapping on the transaction tab. To keep your Bitcoin safe, make sure to enable security features like 2FA, fingerprint or face recognition, or even a backup password. And that's it. You now know how to use a Bitcoin wallet app. You can store, send, and receive Bitcoin all from your phone or computer.